Hi everyone, and welcome to the final part of the spice rack build. This has really been a good build for me. I'm really proud of this one. It was made from a piece of reclaimed melamine that I seen in a skip one day. Then I seen the wife cooking one day in the kitchen, and she reached down into the cupboard to pick up a box of spices that was really heavy. And I thought, no, I can't have this. So that's where the idea came from. I thought, right, I'll make her a spice rack somewhere she can put all her spices in and reach them whenever she needed them. This isn't your usual spice rack that you'd see, so I'm going to call this a modern spice rack, as it looks really modern. It's high gloss white and it goes with the rest of the furniture around the kitchen as well. Like I said guys, thanks for watching the videos, take care, and I'll see you soon.